Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this peachy floral set for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. Alright, first we're going to start off with Light Elegance Ready for Rio. I'm going to apply that all over my pinky finger, halfway on my middle finger, and all over my thumb. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds. Alright, after that's cured, I'm going to do a second coat of Ready for Rio on all of the fingers that I just previously did it on, and then I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds. Since I painted this on instead of floated on, because I'm doing it on a finished file now, I did do 3 coats, but I only did 2 on camera because I still had a little bit of shadowing. So I went ahead and did 3 coats and then cured. Once I'm done with that 3rd coat that I did off camera, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Sugar Coated. This glitter gel, you guys, is amazing and I definitely had to use it. So I just love the way that this sparkles. It is really pretty and I thought it was a really soft spring look that matches Ready for Rio just perfectly. So once I'm done applying this, I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be applying a second coat of Sugar Coated, and I only did 2 coats of this. I kind of like the see-through-ish look that it gives off. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to cure my light. Then on my pointer finger, I'm going to go in with my super shiny top coat, and I'm going to apply that all over my nail, cure for 60 seconds, and then wipe off that sticky layer. Now I'm going to go in with my Sally Hansen nail polishes. I use these ones in particular because I wanted that soft, just a little hint of color, but not too much. And I started with a white base. I used my stamping polish White Night by Moyu Linden. Stamped that on my nails, and then I went in with the colors and stamped that right over top of the white. I like the soft pastel look that this gave. So yeah, I had a really difficult time stamping, as you guys will see later down the video. I left it in there. I think you guys should learn from my mistakes. So when I go to stamp that final layer on my nails, I messed up horribly. Like, I just couldn't pick it up. I don't know if it was like my technique on how I was doing things, or if it was just a little fine details because the polish dried really fast. Maybe I worked a little bit too slow, I don't know. I mean, eventually I got it on there, but I'm telling you guys, it took me way too long. It took me so many tries to get all of my nails stamped that it was ridiculous. So I got a little frustrated, so you guys aren't going to see the finished look until after I'm done with everything, so I apologize on that, but it took way too long for me to get that all said and done. And while I have you guys here, I wanted to thank all of my new subscribers and all of my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. I can't believe that I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, to other people that's probably child's play, but to me it means the world. And I just want to personally thank you guys, because I feel like I haven't thanked you guys enough for, you know, always watching my videos, commenting, and being so sweet, so helpful, and so nice. You guys are rock stars, and I really appreciate every comment, every like, and every subscriber that I get. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And when we do hit 1,000 subscribers, I want you guys to stay tuned for that because it's going to be amazing. I'm going to have a giveaway and I'm going to be doing a tour of my nail salon. So if you guys are interested in that, just help me get to 1,000 subscribers and you guys can see everything that I have to offer. So I'm very happy and interested in seeing you guys' reactions to my nail room because I want your opinion, you know, what I can do a little bit better. It's not 100%, but I like it so far. It's nice, it's cozy, and it's very beautiful. So I wanted to share that with you all and give you guys some goodies. So yeah, right now I'm just messing up with my stamping, as I told you guys previously. Stamping is so hard for me. I don't know if anyone else has that problem, but I try so much. And when I'm stamping my actual clients' hands, I'm really good at that. But when I'm stamping myself, it's just like I never know what's happening. So right now I'm adding the one step to seal in my design, and then I'm going to go in with my super shiny top coat, and I'm going to seal everything in and cure my light for 60 seconds. And these are my final results. If you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye!